Welcome back to Toga TV. You know I go already. But this is the next movie. While I'm rich, watch it to the end and tell me if you play the part 2. You know in the comment section. How am I doing for that one? You understand? Big up everybody out there. You have all Toga Nation people them really support. Some of the people them contact me and say them want donate, but they don't really want to donate. They just make a promise and never fulfill. But who reach out to me and really did it. Thanks to everybody. Right? So there, rain and fall, we are putting the work. See how we honor. You understand? We just want put out the violence out that place. See? And you know we go, we are looking for a bright future next year. Who knows what's gonna happen? So watch a movie, comment down below what you think. Remember, like, share it to everybody we know, because sharing build the channel as well. You understand? So drop a comment and see you at the end.
Every day I just look on you, I just say, yo, I'm just glad I find love, because I really love you, you know?
I love you too.
And I hope to last forever. And nothing will break us apart.
Hopefully.
Like relationships still, although sometimes we cuss and, you know, we get miserable and we cuss every day, but that neutral still I just love.
And we need to do more, you know, activities in a relationship like we're supposed to play in them soon, because this is really boring, to be honest.
Well,
I know it's not lie me I tell.
I don't lie I tell, you know, sometimes I'm moody, but as if you tell me, I will do it, because as I say.
And as we start ramps, the argument come up.
Which argument? No argument no normally come up.
Well,
you know, I like your romantic too, you know.
It's time hot and stuff, I want to go beach or river. But river is too far.
I decided that something in me and I hold a conversation, and every time me talk, you want go away.
But me want go so many times.
Alright, you feel like if it be fun then.
Yeah, we can go have fun, so you see.
No problem then, because it's boring for sure.
So I go pack my bag and something. Put my towel in my bag.
Because you feel yellow.
Stop now. Look at that.
Come now. Oh, yeah. Ramp for you, come.
Before we start ramp, remember say I'm here to you. Where?
To me go on.
On the bicycle?
No, I mean to carry up.
No, me want carry.
No, you ever see a woman at a woman?
Of course.
Me never see that before.
That's
a man
love.
always to a woman.
When woman
well, when me
woman,
that's love.
No,
because them girl nowadays, no girl no want them bicycles. So if you there with me, that good with the bicycle.
Look here.
If you tow you.
What's now?
Alright, anything for you.
Me want, okay.
Alright, let me get to one.
Yes, come on.
Yeah, wait about this.
Oh, I just remember somebody talk in the heat from yesterday. Come, there was somebody from the beach and never get to go yesterday.
Oh, I have to remember.
I never hand the bag.
Come on.
Come on.
Are you still
stop around. Come on. When time we reach a beach, you can splash water and stuff. Come on. You see that? Could they? Get up, man. You can't make a bicycle puncher.
You know, see, you make a bicycle puncher be how you
how me to make a puncher that you there front of your big fat self, could they?
Because me tell you to make me ride the bicycle. Go.
If you didn't ride the bicycle back with a puncher, could they?
You know what I mean?
Two of them.
You know, say no listen Friday night house, me tell you to make me ride the bicycle and me tow you.
You know, so they say me can't bother with you. Don't know what you're going to do. What? You push the bicycle, yeah, man. All this.
Better go back up, go park your bicycle and just go turn on some water.
Go
turn on some water and shower and swim and about
see me now. People can see me in the shower one. How are you chat say?
So what more we go go beach? You want to go park this and walk then? Come put my pot list right and walk.
Me not gonna win.
What make you now?
Me not walk down no beach. Sorry. Push that command.
So we get for me now?
Come on, me now wait for it. I nice to punch on me vex. Now understand what I'm saying. You like this time, I could never yet give me what you want.
What do you mean you could never give you what you want?
I want to ask if you just got beach, right? Just take that beach. See they half of every turn back because I buy people no food. Give me what all I have.
But me still be an option, so make me walk go babe, so what?
Walk go away. In our sun at. Not do that.
More than even carry up on my back.
By your back.
So what you mean me not? What you mean me not?
You don't can't carry one so much as you carry me by your back. Don't do that.
Look how much time we have sex and you say turn the other way.
Look here, shut up. You can't chat go on or turn the other way.
That time you put it this.
You know what, brother?
What problem?
Yo.
Me give everything for me. I go out there, I try my best and make sure I come in.
Look here, me know what you have to say.
I'll do it.
You know what, just shut up. Don't say anything.
I'll
You know
take
what?
enough time.
Me a call my friend to go and carry me, go me a go. To go and pick me up here.
So what kind of friend? What kind of friend business?
No worry yourself about what kind of friend business.
So you know what me have friend and you have friend?
Because you don't know yourself, me know myself.
No, so I style me now, right?
Style me a style.
I style me to people now.
I wish.
Me we go out there and even if you take me all two.
Hello, stop nice for me and go palm my car. Is it there I'm gonna lock your beat, brother? And make me talk.
Everything good, do you?
Hello.
What going?
There, man. Everything good.
Yeah, man, you can't come pick me up.
I head up on that day.
Monga Beach, time just hot.
You know, so me I go up on the beach side too.
Alright, come pick me up, man. My bag, well pack and everything, my ready and everything, man. Just
So
come.
you can drink 2 beers and sit.
Right, that's so.
Alright, and that's why up on the front tire there, I'm going to pick you up.
Alright then.
Yeah.
Talk to me nice, brother. When you talk to me, put respect on my name and talk to me nice. Goodbye, have a nice day. I'm going to fix the bicycle too, because you're going to need it. Right.
Go fix your life.
Go fix yours, we'll pop them and mash down. Brighty, man.
Oh boy. It's really hot too. Get down breeze though. Really hot too.
Eh?
They plan to do it. Let's go to the beach. This beach is there.
You don't even know anyone.
No, Long Beach. Your feet. I get to room in the town and so we can go all the fight. Is it?
Really? Hold this. Hold this.
Eh?
Hold this up. Yo. Hold this up.
Look here. Bill.
No, which man care come on and come let you have right at all?
When I tell you say my friend, the person I call up on the phone and in that.
What kind of friend? Are you a friend gonna beach? I mean, you plan after
So
me, you
me
plan
name-
everything out. You're a
Hello.
friend gonna beach.
Me tell you say me and him go beach before, right? Me tell you say 2 we go beach. We reach half a bicycle park down. We go one back. We in an argument. Me call him and come pick me up. Alright, look more. Because I say me call him for now. You hear? Alright. I'm my friend that.
No, I'm all pretty man.
Me I come go, but I fix the bicycle.
Good man.
Me good, are you good? Oh. After me want to go beach, I can't provide that. You can come and get up and kiss the like say I want brush it. Me want brush it through.
Listen, just please. You realize that last night I come in and I just nine night argumented and I turn no back. I try to build off an argument. With everything that happened yesterday, I just a blind to it because I really love you and I don't know. You come like you love me, I feel I just fool and you just continue to disrespect me. You understand? So just please, I block out that.
Look here,
If you're a friend, are you a friend, right?
tell us I'm a friend, right? And even if me if you go there with him, he would have been the last person on my mind if me think about if you go there with you. And my friend that from basic school. So I can't feel like say one can chat about me and him there and things. Don't do it.
So yesterday him just a jump up so all of him let off in constantly a come back and something.
The man there come back a turn and do that turn.
He'll tap him, don't tell her later and him tap again. And I tell her later again.
I
and
saw
I
it.
wink off her. What kind of something then?
I saw it still.
I'm not going to argument about that. As I say, to me love him, I just try blind that.
Okay.
You understand? So, we just try to be happy this morning. We just try to have a good vibes and everything. So, we want to breakfast.
Anything, you know. Can have macaroni and cheese.
Yeah, go look about it for me. Like how you get problems, so go look about it for me. If you should have wake up and give me breakfast.
So because me give look here, don't do it. Me never
wake up and give me breakfast in bed.
Me never give no problem. So me need to do all of that. Me never do anything.
Yeah, but
I'm a friend.
You make me feel away.
You make me feel away because you accuse me.
You see me make you feel away. Me I wake up and give you breakfast in bed, you know.
You make me feel away because you accuse me. So go on for breakfast.
Alright, what how we are going to work out? You look about breakfast and I look about dinner.
No.
Say two we do something.
You look about breakfast and I look about dinner. I'm tired now, but later when you get up, look straight to look about dinner. So go on.
So, how was last night though? Okay, that's why you've been so.
No, because I turn back, give me some, I turn back my back gear and then I go sleep. What you want me to do?
But last night, like, you not even care, like, you do what you do and you not even care about it. Like, you just come in and you just you know see how easy it is, so?
Yeah, I know.
You're miserable, innit? Mm-hmm. But I love it, so you do at that time.
You go for breakfast or not?
Yeah, I look about it.
Go on. Stop now, go. Stop now. You tell us something I like ticklish and you still stop.
I know you don't like it, but I know you don't like when you feel ticklish, you just love it when it's hard.
Go on, man. Come on, man. I'm hungry and I'm carrying on home, baby.
Sit down in the kitchen.
I'm not coming there, I'm tired. I'm tell us I breakfast in bed, I want so go on.
I'm so lazy.
I'm not lazy. Go on. Stop now.
Yeah, you're too miserable, man. Yeah. Too miserable.
Stop.
Man, come here.
Sure. Hello.
Hello.
But I just wake up, you know.
Oh, you're good.
Yeah, I'm good. I can't really talk, you know, because my boyfriend there. Yeah.
You can't let me today.
Today?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna make
I'm busy.
No, man, I'm not busy, man. Me link you.
Yeah.
Hey, come.
Ah.
Yeah, babe.
You want me to look about egg instead? Boiled egg?
Yeah, I care about that.
Alright. You're sick until?
No, I just want to sleep, man.
No, you shouldn't be keep my company.
I want to sleep. Let's go on.
Alright. You're not gonna watch today.
Tomorrow come that. Yeah.
Alright, so what you plan for eat in the morning then? Because I think you did a wash and so come to help you wash, but it's like tomorrow still. What you plan for eat?
But you know what they saw, I like this stove to make something, but the stove not light. So I would have asked if I could have got there, go like this stove to make something.
Alright, I'm going to come. Babe, you know say come like the gas done?
The gas done?
Yeah.
So fast?
How long since I did buy it?
I think a month ago, but normally gas are served 1.5 months too.
Yeah, but we must have cook on a regular line.
And I come like to the stove there.
Yeah, well, you know, I respect about it. But if you get our money, but me not go get it till way up on your weekend, so I not even know how I'm going to get gas right now, I swear.
Jesus. Alright, give me then I make one phone call. I'm looking. Okay.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, borrow money from somebody, because I can't give about weekend, you know.
No man.
Hello.
Hello, God.
Good.
No, sir, my day and the guests don't know something. I asked if I could buy something. Come for me eat.
What do you want to eat?
You can buy anything.
This is what I mean if you do. Because you don't want me gas now, don't you? Anything you look at thing you want, you get it. You know that.
Yeah, man, me know, man. Just buy it and make me get it.
What do you want to eat?
You can buy anything.
Anything?
Yeah. I could even dry goods, because I like dry goods, you know.
Alright.
Yeah.
So far. You have money?
No, me not none.
My father, me get money.
Alright. Yeah.
How would I call her? Who would I call her?
I'm a friend, me call, man. Baby cares. Come. You say no money.
So you only cater for yourself?
You can get my money, I eat.
No, with your friend I carry on give.
Why?
I don't want no man to buy for no woman. Come here, know what kind of friendship that. You know if you're unfair though.
Unfair with what? You want me?
No, you alone if you have friend. I mean if you have none because I can never take up my phone and say I have a girl best friend. A problem. You tell me if you black them, you tell me if you do everything. But you if you have boy best friend though. I don't like how you stay bro. What kind of relationship you have to call man to buy breakfast?
No, me like a style, no. Me tell her say you can get
I tell you if you call somebody and borrow the money because me I get a money weekend and I like me can't buy the gas.
Me not like
can't buy it now.
Me not like borrow money from people.
And me I go pay it back on you. Me will do anything for me and you.
You call somebody and borrow the money from them. Me not want
So
borrow
cancel
the money.
that way somebody I buy for you then.
It done buy already. But cancel. Look here, me tell her say I'm a friend for a long time from basic school. You know they are here, right?
You ever hear son of cartel sing friend, sex friend?
Look here, don't say that because me know me limit round him and him no limit round me. Unlike you,
That
I
they
shut up.
driving a car and a wind up window and that has no limit.
Make me chat. When time a girl come to you now and start touch a certain way and what, you shoot out long time or you ready for you have sex with somebody, right? Me know you.
And I same thing if him touch you, I want him buy you
He not touch me.
things down.
He not go on nothing, I know that from day one. I'm my day one, that my day one friend.
I go get a best friend.
Yeah, which best friend?
I go get, no worry yourself man.
Best friend with who?
Two can play the game there.
Who can play that game, man, that around put me in this?
No, me should have one now, me can call her and tell her so me hungry. You know so me get one, everything good.
You get one, that try me.
No, me go get one cause me
No, try me, that's if you do. So come on, move on and move
your
this
best friend and blow the ear. Your best friend and blow.
Me come in.
Hello. Yeah, blow that no. Hello.
Yeah, cool.
Oh, that's good. Get one for soup.
Thank you.
You can be a boyfriend to my soup.
Yeah.
Oh man, general, everything good.
I'm hungry, man. You good though?
Good man, I can put that in your pocket, yeah? Yeah, man, everything good in general. I'm just help out my friend, man.
Alright then.
You're good.
Good man, later. Thanks.
Yeah, okay. You're alright, you know?
Yeah.
Alright.
So I think I'm really fast man all money I get to.
No, in case I don't want something to eat.
You know feel like none of this in a do.
Hey, cause are you buy it, Karen? Not true. Are you buy it? Are you buy it? Alright. Oh. You want some or not?
No, your food there man.
No problem, I shall go. Let's go deal with it. Right.
Carry out today.
Carry me out.
Yeah.
You go away.
Just tell him say I go somewhere. I want to carry out, man. I want to look at date. Go to hotel, go enjoy ourselves, you know?
Oh, alright then. No
yeah, up to
problem.
yeah. Afford.
Of course. In there I sleep, man, so sometimes I wake up and tell him
No
something.
business, but just tell him a story and forward.
Alright.
Yeah, I just feel like we spend some money for it today.
Alright then. Yeah.
Did you want to meet out on the road then?
Yeah, man. Wake up now. I can't sleep, so I'm on a room here, breathe sleep, so. Oi.
Listen.
You know, say, me have something to do. I'll go up on the road today.
Listen, me have to go on the road today.
Listen, me. I'll go up on the road today with my friend. I want a birthday party.
Really know.
You mean by really know?
You know, say you come like say you and your friend in a relationship though, right? Because you give your friend more time more than how you give me.
How am I give me friend more time than how me give you?
Because every time we're there, you always tell me and your friend I go this and your friend I go that. How the hell you feel your friend I move so close? Eh? You give no attention where you give me, brother, every time so.
Because I'm boring, you never want to go nowhere.
Who never want to go nowhere? You never mention nothing to me.
I mean, have you mentioned it?
No, me always tell me go place, but show what? Show me have low class things, you don't want to go with me. I tell you go.
How you want to go? Me don't want to go.
What do you mean, me I go? Look how much time I say be. Come, me get all the money. Go eat ice cream in a town.
I hear the ice cream. If you pop me up a worm or something. Ice cream, be a sweetness.
So where you go a party go to know?
Me I go a party with my
Look how much
friend.
time I say to make me go party and you say you don't like party. So you go with friend now.
Cause you want to come to my bed to go a party.
Oh, me tell me can't make one of my friend then come pick me up, charter them and carry come back. And you never always want to go party with me.
Me don't like going to your friend them vehicle because them vehicle suck. Every meet them meet no accident.
You know, so every time me and you some argument like you just find peer excuse to tell me. I mean I like that.
Look here.
Listen.
Look here now.
Listen. Wow.
Me I just ready. Me I ready up.
So why you have to touch me? Don't touch
So
me.
me can't touch you.
Me the brother, but you not give me no attention.
So me get attention.
If you give me attention, don't go a party then.
When me come back, I shall get more attention. Get ready.
Oh, so you put your friend over me, right?
For now, right?
You put your friend over me.
If I that, you say yes.
Because as morning light, your friend upon call and you tell me about that's something important, yeah. And that's why my big son go sleep and you think I really sleep, me go and sleep. As morning light time I call and you talk about something important.
Could be, yeah.
And then no a beach, you know I go.
Go on.
So which birthday party I come from, Junk, sir?
How was drunk? Can I do that, man? Where the party where my friend I come from, man? We left friends, so they can't go and go on bar to drink 2 room, you know? Play 2 bucks, so I say I come here. But me not drunk, man, I just feel nice.
My time now, right? My time right now, right?
Yeah, your time.
Huh?
Your time. Yeah, man.
Yo.
Stop, no, man. Stop once.
Okay, now, you know something I like that style I do, brother? Yeah, you know I get out of hand with this best friend thing, you know?
Yeah.
Don't hold my hand. Yeah, get out of hand with this best friend thing.
Much of me ass it.
Let me go much of me ass.
Today did nice.
Me and never can go somewhere and come and behave like this or say today did nice. You know the things that you do with your best friend, it just seems like on a day like them the things I wanna do. I would a man and woman do them this and they're like people in our relationship.
Where you going so far? Where come I going so far?
Oh, so you know no time for me now, you head to your bed like you want to go sleep. You know no time for me. I'm sit down here so whole day. And all your time is with your best friend, right? You say you go to just party alone. And you not even call my phone and say you go a bar and I'm there wait. Say I want you to take me. Everything good. Everything good. Everything good.
You know, say drop there, but come on, brother.
Just avoid me, please. Just avoid me.
Avoid you. Come avoid you. I'm going so far,
Just
man.
avoid me, please.
Come on, man.
Please
I'll go take a shower, man. Let's go, man. Let's go.
Just avoid me, please. Me I try to stay out there with you. Just avoid me. No, like
Yeah,
them
me, I walk around, pardon me.
them are something where you go and them are come like any person dead. There's no best friend me say move together, so brother. They just let go from my shirt in and left and somebody say avoid them.
I need someone to lean on.
Don't call your best friend to lean on. Cause you made it a lean on from me, call him.
You're gonna make me drop. You're gonna make me drop.
Just avoid me, please.
You're good, man. It's a man talk.
I see him say, right now this look like he have drunk and just sex you. Doing good, man.
Come back, man. Where you go?
Hello. Yo. Yo. Morning. With all due respect, but that's something I know something on there and I have to work, you know. So, that's something I know something on there.
Don't care if you're not going so.
Yeah, I remember what happened, though. With all due respect, still, if I get the money later, although I go get the money, but if my mind settle off or what me yesterday, I can't carry it out, but differently, a normal pray.
Look here, me know something me drunk yesterday and
It's junk. You come like say a pill and pop, yeah, you come like you have sex, like you have sex with the wedding now.
No. Look here, me say nothing about taste through the way.
So how you call you 1 o'clock last night?
No.
You don't know. What kind of best friend that? Why you call you 1 o'clock last night for?
You might check if me good.
I'm check if you're good. Now I'm gonna make you mash up my morning and all when really good still, but me I go up on the work, I deal the work. You just know say me I go work. You know I know which part me I go work because yesterday you need to know which part the bar, they were the party where you are going in. Tell me say you go a bar, you know, call me and update me. So just know say up on the road me there, you know, have to know which part me I work. So I just decide.
Hello?
Oh, God.
Somebody haven't just for too long rise up, bro. You good?
Yeah, man.
They are calling last night, but I'm not getting an answer.
So you say you can't come so late in the night. It cause problem in a relationship.
My mind run past, I'm just calling.
Up to now, me and him vexing, not talk to me no at all and just leave out there.
Yeah, don't pay him no mind, man. Don't pay him no mind. Is it?
I'm vexing me right and I'm not know if you say or if you do. If you make him start chat back to me. He's saying
good, man. No worry about him. I'm good.
He's saying gonna work and not about too much about my work today.
You gonna work?
Yeah.
So you want over there?
Yeah, me alone over there.
I'm looking forward then.
But if you make it quick, I don't know what time I come from work.
How far I click over there? I'm not ready.
Alright, forward.
I'll come and check you.
Yeah.
But you enjoy yourself yesterday though?
You don't even have to ask that.
Yeah.
Hey, Paul, open the door forward. Hey, door, Paul.
Oh, this is how you go for it.
Now come here, you can surprise them.
I'm put down myself.
So I'm going.
Oh, man, I'm good.
I'm good.
I'm good, man.
Okay, so.
So you say you go?
So now what, Melissa?
Work.
So you say?
You don't come home drunk on him.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you if you act like you're drunk.
Me a
You
try.
drink too much cup, you take and me say you overdo it.
Brother, sleep.
You go know say you're not gonna birthday party.
Me tell you, say, me did left and go on bar. And then me left from the bar now. The same thing there. Me left back home.
But me say do not drink. You can go no say we're not gonna have a party, a birthday party.
But birthday party have room. I never know that.
What time exactly say?
Me tell him, so we got the birthday party and the birthday party not no vibe. So we cut from this and go on bar.
Oh. So they like we get that with them?
Yeah.
Sure. Yes, man, come over here for me talking.
So you come over here, huh?
Yes, come over here for me.
Yeah, come over.
Good.
Yeah, madam.
Alright. Let me come over again. I'm going to put on the lungs again. Take out the lungs again.
At least you go on back first.
Sexy. So I'm going and
See now.
eh?
Now if no one. At least you know.
Left one, I could change gear. God. You will just always man, getting $100 for that.
Thank you.
Let me see you.
I'm gonna walk again. Like this.
Just call me anytime you feel low, just call me.
Alright. Show up the one that I
Yeah, man, show up to do it. Make sure you say good enough that you're holding.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Even. So I'm going to let her get
Oh, God.
No, I'm not going to come here. I'm busy right now. That's something let her get.
I'm come out of my house.
No,
That's something going to let her get.
Where you let off gear? Show me where you let off gear.
Her mother give me.
Yeah, man, show me
the figure. Show me this plane. I don't mean I want to look at Russian.
I know, man, that's something I just
Mother,
so, you didn't know what going in the house figure. You could just come and do.
No, from the way down, I'm just saying, say door open the scare.
So when me I go, I never lock the door.
But they pull the door, come out, so I come look out, you know, so I like look out, I'm on it.
I sex, you going to go sex me, woman.
What can I say that?
I'm going to sex my best friend.
Me don't know best friend and best friend sex.
Listen.
Because you come out of my house, look for my bed. No, look for yourself. Look for my bed or you pull up.
Me never go back.
What? No, go back for you sitting where you can't come. Go back for you. Call your mother.
Okay.
Call your mother. Take care of your phone.
Mother,
Call your phone.
Mother, they are woke. Sorry.
General, she know me know from me a baby, so I grew up.
Exactly.
From me a baby.
A normal bird.
So she had the last person, me not even think about that.
I said things she said to me too. I see him say you sturdy, you take my woman, you know, and you carry my woman. Go.
I'm my little sister birthday party, I'm inviting her.
Oh, Roma drink up your little sister birthday
Yeah, of
party.
course.
I just 1 cup of rum to drink.
Oh.
And not even rum, a
I want
champagne.
to tell the party to keep.
A champagne.
I want to tell the party to keep.
No, can I tell her?
No,
Yeah.
because my virgin just tell me saying see her and her over hotel. So I want to over
Okay,
there.
this is a girl next
That's over the
year.
party that
We
keep.
don't go and no hotel, so nobody can tell her that. I'm
No,
a little
go
sister
tell her,
birthday
man.
party, I'm invite her because
No, so oh, she come in a junk. She come in a well drunk and I chat be a foolishness boy in like his sex all night sleep. And me not give no
What a
sex.
wickedness
So what
She
kind
a
of
talk so in her sleep.
No, me a talk so.
Talk to me. And
No more she come in a junk last night. That's why you see me get up on her and I not know it.
You know about
And you call her 1 o'clock in the
You know
morning
about
last
that
night.
part.
No, so where you call her 1 o'clock in the morning for? Where you call?
Hello, when you look pasta,
Eh?
easy, you can
Let's
go to
find
in your
out.
store.
Find out if she good.
Yeah, find out if she good.
Yeah.
So you can see me and her there and you call her them the time.
Sorry about that to call.
I'm not going to push that.
You see, but that is
No, listen to me I say. No, listen to me I say. Because, you see me, you see me come on to my woman, me I talk to you, Virgin. Tell her person. You see me come on to my
Listen,
woman,
me a
me
man,
not wrong.
man.
You see, if me ever see you put back your foot in here, I got a problem. Me I warn you, hear me?
I suck me carry come here.
Sorry, me don't talk to you no man, sorry. Yo, you see all you? Come here, I'm smell it.
Don't correct with me. Excuse me, man. Stop now.
If you know you're not guilty, come here, I'm smell it.
Smell the floor.
So why the bed pull up so?
Me come in there on the bed and me do that sleep. You know me sleep but I don't stay.
Where the fuck me do you saying care from? Call your mother.
The mother there, but mother not going to answer phone.
So your mother never tell us how much they come?
Mother did tell me.
When you tell her?
She tell me yesterday so she sent something.
Show what she do? Call her?
She called me.
Show me call her, she call her.
Yesterday my mother did call me in the evening.
You must say never there in the evening.
That's the thing me never did hear.
Yeah, so show me the call or she call in the evening. Show me.
You did on my phone.
Yeah, so show me now.
Brother, yawa. Yawa.
No, you can disrespect me, you carry money in my house. And me and you him a pay rent tonight, and you and him a pay rent tonight. You understand? So not true him a buy your food and whatever and buy your clothes. You feel like saying if you come in here.
I'm busy what you want to say, you know. I don't care what you want to say. Because a man wants to say I do nothing, so I need to argue with you. Simple.
Thing good, man.
everything I must do.
I go up on the road there.
So you come over here for? We are come over here for then.
I'm gonna link my best
So
friend.
watch me?
No, I'm link my best friend. I go one look up pool something now come.
Yeah, which best friend?
So come back.
Which best friend you talk about? Come here. No, come here. Which best friend you talk
Right
about?
now, I'm not happy right now.
No, which best friend you talk about? Any best friend you have me have to know about that like how you know about mine?
No, they go from my
Which best friend you talk about?
We go from my crew.
No, I'm not laughing.
May you ever fight it?
No.
You want this be first?
If I wanted to.
They go from my close, please.
Me ask you a question. Which best friend you talk
I go
about?
my best friend, she invite me over
She.
a pool party.
Pool party?
Yes.
I shall put on my bazookas at the 2 we are go.
And I'm here go over the come, sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry, no time around.
Me not be able to go in because a pool party we can wash up. What?
Sorry.
Come on.
Sorry, cause me know I'm here go.
You mean that here? Me know me there go. Come on. I told me I go. Go on.
No, you see it now, you see how you unfair. Me ain't that go nowhere, no, me just did a see the reaction where you dog give me. You see it? But you for your best friend. When you are your best friend, I go nowhere, no. Me never come behind you and say me a father, no. Me never run behind you and say me a father, no. Yo, me tell you, the attitude you have and you just make it look like I'm me alone, I have a problem in a relationship. Sorry.
No, you're gonna shoot me down, not true. Shoot me down. Hello?
How going on?
But I know you're doing.
There, I just make up my mind now for more talk about something more serious.
What are you?
How long now me I talk now?
Good while.
Okay. So, me tell you that they let off business and come hide and look to me. Me tell you that there's something there now. I just want it for myself fully now, so either you come live with me or stay over this and we just cut the link. You just make me know because I can't bother fear I hide and I come over there and I fear tell lies so we not talk. And even that day I follow you know and your man ask me how long we are friends and I feel a way fear say we are friends. You understand? So just tell me where you are. Move, come live with me. Choose either me or him. You know me, I'm a dirty money already for spend on you.
Look here, me don't even have to think about that. You know, say I do already, right? But don't even have to think about that. Because him not nothing to offer. You see me?
Exactly. What do you want? Go hotel and go enjoy yourself. For me, spend. I have to tell him like so you get money really.
Exactly. So
I'm going to pick you up now like I'm serious, I'm dead serious.
alright then, I'm serious.
So just pack up a thing them and make you know what I go and say alright. You see it?
Alright then, may I do that then? Yeah.
May I left out now?
Yeah, may I start pack for now.
Alright.
Yeah.
Pack up a thing.
Alright.
Babe, what you say? You want brown stir, you want curry? Because if me all look about the curry, I have to go a shop.
No.
We go buy the curry.
Come here.
Because browning in there.
Me no want you not money brown in or no curry. Sit down.
Where you attitude?
Just sit down
You
now.
know something like your style though. You just something
here.
to go look about something for you then you have to me say.
Just stop it there when me talk, my man.
I don't say you
Yeah,
talk
allow
to
me to
people.
talk.
You wanna say you talk to people. Just say babe, sit down right here something say something to you.
Me don't need to say
Yeah,
babe.
deal with
I
me
don't
like
need
a
to
dog
say
or
babe.
something.
Because then I like it to happen again. Look here. Me I gotta be real with you, isn't it? Me have somebody I talk to.
What you mean you have somebody I talk to?
Sit down now, man. If you ever sit down and listen. And this between the two will not go work. Because me find somebody else and me find love.
You didn't even love or rate me? More
Because it's
understand.
short, me did rate it, but me never, you know.
Oh, so
You
no love
love-
name did it?
Yeah.
But you have to understand in some relationship you have to find cause and fight. No relationship no perfect. Yeah,
Me
your
not
partner
chat about
happy.
cuss and fight. Me a chat about me don't want the relationship no more. You not understand? Tip broke off in your ears.
So why you don't want the relationship no more? What happened to the
Because
relationship?
I find somebody new.
Yeah, so what happened to the relationship make you go find somebody new? What happened to the relationship make you find somebody new? It have to be a problem make you find somebody new.
Look here. You have different goals to accomplish. Me have different goals to accomplish, right? When me what you cannot give me.
What do you mean what you
Me want one heap of things that you can't buy because you don't have the money to buy it, right? And you have a lot of things to accomplish and God alone can help you with them there. But me not gonna work with this no more. Me go just cut, you see me? If you thank God say me tell you and you never just come here and say me not there here, right? Thank God say me tell you man, me
alright, you find a new man, that's fine by me. Hope you enjoy everything and when it don't work, hope you don't call me.
Me not go call the phone.
You don't believe me.
I trash enough for when I chat more. Let's move with this.
I prank you.
Me
Come now.
I tell you sitting and then when you come and chat different things.
Come on. See you now. You really are left. Eh?
Hello, stop. What I'm
You
coming
really
on,
are left. Where are this for?
I know that.
You see, you want to move around. I'm buy bicycle. Me can move around look free because I can't afford bike or carry it. And you tell me say you find new man.
Are your business that? Is that your business?
So with all of me, I go to a site I go. All of my money I spend on you, this I thanks.
You're blind? Are you blind? What a blind to go on, brother. Later. Oh, we want to come on the
I am new man. I am new man.
Why?
I am new man.
Are we want to come in the back seat? Bye.
Okay. So I say go now.
No, me not.
So true me not drive car, you know what I mean? I them sitting there go on.
Oh yeah, do.
Yo.
All along.
Relax.
Yo.
Come pick up.
Yo. Come on, here, put on the stick, man.
Yo, you know say all along you man come pick up my woman.
No.
I'm a face and friend.
Lower that.
I know in there no man.
Lower that, daddy. Lower that. You know, we get yourself in trouble with them sitting there, daddy. You must have fish dance, you must have woman dance, daddy. Go on and get some new girl, daddy. One woman I'll get yourself in trouble. You look the man and you know, when you go and behind bars, one different man. Put up some man. All the time that happened to me, man. All the time that happened to me. Don't worry yourself about that, man. You shall rise again, man. You know what I mean? Just write some sour orange. Do it to my beverage. And calm myself and get some ice. Calm myself down, daddy. Go up on the beach.
Look, come on.
I get yourself in a problem, man.
It's like, you know, no TV there, so bathroom there, so hall there, so our next room there, but me not too grown aside.
Nice.
A nice place, man. So you're good, I know you're good. But I worry yourself and making stress you out, you know.
Just stress me.
Me out here now. Yeah, everything are good. You understand what I'm saying? Some business card this. So you see draw the empty. Cause I not to have enough clothes in my clothes in my closet. So right, so you see closet. So this a dresser dryer. You can go and use this in the meantime to make it some more clothes. So pack out the clothes and so we go back on the road. No. Sure, we are going to eat.
I don't even know. I'm gonna eat one.
Hamburger?
No, sir.
Oh.
Popeyes and KFC.
Let me get the one Popeyes here. Get the one Popeyes in there. No, you just bring me bread. Yeah. So far. Nobody and happy bro, no one side. Stick here. Yeah, one next.
So I can ask you.
Yeah, one next.
Alright.
What's up? I'm okay, you?
Yeah, man. You know, say, me new in the area, I'm just want somebody to show me around because I'm renting a house up there, so me I wonder if no shop there nearby. Because I left my car tire punch up, so without drive, but the road kind of bad.
Oh. Yeah, man, you have one shop right down here, so man, you want me follow you?
Yeah, man, so you come from here?
Yeah, man, I'm in the area, I live, man.
Okay, what's your name?
Well, you can call me Jaim.
Alright. Well, you have to give me a number, Jaim, so me can get for know, you understand?
No problem, man.
Kind of upfront still, me not lie, me like you.
Really?
Yeah, because you're different from the rest of the guy, the nigga just...
So you know something different than I first asked me?
Because how you dress, you can look on people, you know, and judge them based off of how they dress.
For this long while, at first somebody make me a brush class. Jump out of one relationship how long ago and that they just left me traumatized and they tell myself say me not go run look nobody, you understand, because my last relationship.
Listen. Don't even say further about relationship. You see relationship with especially the girls and nowadays not worth it. You see where my mind is right now, money. You see how me look? Money.
If you mind upon money, how you go upon me?
Don't worry about that. I make my own money, you hear? Money takes you. Alright, Jaim. Where say shop there, beer, sir?
Yeah, man, I'm gonna follow you.
Don't come. Yeah, if you know each other.
Yeah, man, no problem, man.
So, down here, a good area?
Yeah, nice area, a lot of excitement, go on enough time, you know, more while and keep bike show.
Oh, no robbery, no happening or no other.
Well, to be honest, it's not a violent place, but...
They kill me. They kill me.
Wanna make some tea here?
I really like tea.
You never want tea if you drink it.
I'm not too like tea, you know. But you pill me like.
That me notice it then.
Yeah,
Hey man, I'm gonna stay up one easy back.
sure. I'm sure you're good. No, come now. I do over there. I'm not good.
No man, me alright. You know, so as long as we reach by them, I'm good. I got to look at the crosses boy.
You know, call her. Blackie number.
Call me, can't call me idiot black. Yeah, go later.
Which one I'm going later?
I don't know, go on bar or something.
I'm going to bar. Gym.
You can't do that, yes, because it's kind of boring. Something.
Can't go on to Villa, man. Not from a board, I'm going to Villa, man. I could pass through.
Can't do that then.
So how you like over there so far?
Oh, very nice. In a boring like which part I did get. And the way more better than which part I did it, guys. Look up on that bed, be a squeak, it a squeak. It's all alright.
Good mattresses are 100,000 pay for the mattress. Yeah, the AC, you know, no hot, you're comfortable. If you're hungry, you know, say, you just ring my phone if you're not there.
For real.
One time I go starting from today, I left money with you. Is it if you're not there and you're hungry, you can just get some to eat. That's it.
I must not really like cook all the man or something.
That's not what I mean, I just want to know if you're good. That's it. Although some of the times it take me more cook more time. Because I like cooking. And I say I like it. I like it. But I like the run is too busy every day. You did. But when I cook now and then gear, I never cook gear yet. But I cook when I end day.
You cook me one time now, a long time. Long time you thought, man.
When I thought that my mother,
Yesterday high school.
Yeah, a long time we
I
had.
took a call I cook for your friend too long.
You never know so good at it. You know so good at it. Together like this.
I'll go far where I come
Come
from.
far where I come from, your friend.
Years and over years.
You know, say a long time though. Like if for high school days, that was true.
I never said nothing. I'm going to go and do that boy there.
I never want this. I'm afraid for your access. Nothing right.
You're the nerve talking.
I'm still afraid for your access. But God, this turn out that's me have you now and I can take care of you. You understand? I'm promise I say, I don't have no other girl but you.
Okay.
I got the idea in my life right now.
Hopefully you don't break the promise then.
No, I'm breaking man. Anything me ever tell them, I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, Wednesday, but I don't know what the way I have on.
I mean,
A joke.
anything me tell them, I do it. I live by my word. October I'm born, my mother my word.
I know, man.
Anything me say me, I do it. If me not do it, I must something go down. But me not able. If we make it happen. But if nothing not do me, it will happen. You understand? You know, yeah, man.
You need to drink something, make a mix some ginger tea.
Make it tea, man. Because me really, I'm not taking no pill can stop this.
You're going to make it.
You get some water when you come. Well, you know me, I say now, I collect the next piece of food my day, so now let you have here.
Let her fool me, I come with you. Because this man me come in the car, me find used condom in here.
You see all that?
You come and stop car drive because I'm here, you go where you go.
Search up who for care come in.
Right in here, yes, me find the condom, used condom.
You see through me deal with the soft. You think say me have some soft youth you can come deal with and talk to anyway.
But if me see something I'm not like,
Yo,
never
listen,
talk
come out
about
of my
it.
car. Come out of my car.
I'm here, you go where you go. See me back, come out to your car. Don't do that. Don't do it. Now go on here, you know. Oh.
Come out of
Here. No.
Come out of my car.
Oh, if you do that, you're an idiot.
I'm gonna laugh with people.
Where the
You never see me grab inside the dinner. Pull back that door there and see. Pull back the door and see.
Hello. What kind of dirty style is? What kind of slackness them here?
Even the sauce of people and stuff, man. No way you are set up, man.
Excuse.
So how you reach back in my house?
What do you mean by my reach back? You never give me a key.
Let me keep.
Your key up there, so.
No, make stay there.
I mean, I left right now, and I better come back to me and chat about. Oh,
Me?
don't leave.
You know me? You get the next girl by a morning, you don't know me there? You think me I beg you to stay with me?
If me didn't ever do a
You know,
this, me
say I
I
done-
run coming now.
You know, say I done with it. When I left you on the road, you go on like you go style, man. You think you can style me? You can't style me.
If you got see you style me, I miss something what me not like.
Boy, you search up car and you sit.
I not search, me did not search, me go to the car and sit in the
So
brown
if you
in
see a
the
condom, so if you see a condom,
Goodbye. I'm sorry, that one.
yo, Lucky Grill.
Another.
Lucky Grill by your way out. You see no me. Better next girl by a man, you know what to.
See now, babes, we punch part with them. The teacher again, babes, I learn it. Now, you buy one whole apartment for yourself. 3 car your own. Business. Babes, you know if you're proud of yourself.
You know, to be honest with you, like you me really feel proud of. I feel proud of myself, you know, but like you make me get all of this opportunity, and I really thank you.
No problem, babes.
You changed my life a lot because I did then one deep problem. I never have money, nothing at all. My ex left me in a mess. You understand? And it did really mash me up, so I never sorry so I meet you. Meeting you is like my whole life changed. Yes, it changed. And more if you know say me not done repay it. You understand? Because I never did want to tell you, but you see how you just make me feel about getting these things for myself. Just to make you know say I get an apartment fee as well. And your birthday we say next month, just know say me I fly out and carry the money way for you. So like I'm gonna just phone around me.
Alright, what was that?
Go and eat a burger, yeah?
Alright.
I'll do one now.
Alright. How could I not in time?
Yeah. Tell the person something.
Alright.
Come here, do one now.
Alright. Oh, this is like a moment.
Hello.
Yeah, dear.
Good night. Well,
What's a good body night? No. So what's a good boy night? And how you find? How you know say you're something?
me go up the other yard and somebody tell me say no live over there so no more. You move out and stuff. So me I look fear for the back there and moving back, but me never see over there. And somebody give me an address and come up here.
Well, to be honest, it's the same like how you shock me when you tell me say you move on. So me make you know the same. If you look right there right now, you see a nice browning from bed. And well, of course, I don't live down that place anymore. I'm very wild right now and not rich. So, more don't mind if you could have just excuse me.
Me not talk about a wildlife and rich life.
I'm a so-called ex-bis.
Who you call so-called? Don't do that.
No, like, that's why she come.
What do you mean, bro? It's just shame myself.
You remember when you did all this style and thing? But no. High class life.
Burn off in days.
You hungry?
You mean if I'm hungry? But you come and tell us I'm hungry? Me and talk to you about something, right?
It's a whole place of mine. All of this apartment I'm buy. So you know something downstairs?
Come here, we need to have a private
I don't think we need to have a
Come
private
here,
talk.
right? You have been like you want to call me and I don't you like that keep it on the street. Right, don't do that.
Hold on, let's do the mirror. What do you have for me?
Out here, cool.
You can't stand up here, so please.
So where they shoot me and I go and
I
so
don't
outside
want
this
to call the police to come get us from here, so. And anything we do, they will see. Cause look, you have a camera right here, look on you, so you can't tell them time of day, you know. So I would like you to leave my premises, please. Me and you is nothing.
Me tell us the man if it talk about something.
Me and you, nah, nothing for talk, so go ahead, yard.
Me never yard to go high. You me come to live with.
Yeah, go ahead before you put a burger back in your face.
Okay.
Burger bag in a which face?
Me not hurt you, you know. Cause if you want to fight me, I'll send her for you. So, have a nice life. Me don't tell you, say, open in a workout, you don't call me. But true, you know, I'm rich right now. It seems like that. But have a nice life, enjoy yourself, and thanks for to let me wise up the cars. When you left me, at that time there, I learned a whole heap of things.
But
So,
look, me beg you, please. I cannot.
no matter how you beg, no matter how you beg me, because I don't like never this she for you. Remember you did somebody for me, you know, and she helped me get rich. So I will never diss her.
But you know me, I beg you, please. At least just give me a next chance. You know, so I mess up in the past. Just at least give me a next chance.
There's no more chance. Have a good
Look here, me, I beg you, please. Open the door, no man.
Please don't let me have to call police. Just leave the premises. Please don't.
Babes, come before your brother gets cold.
Please don't let me have to call police. And if me see your back on the camera, none at all in my yard, I go call police.
Don't let me see a fish run the man house, girl. Right.
Welcome back to Toga TV. This is Wild and Rich Part 2. So, I see that you don't like the first one, so I'm going to Part 2 quick and fast. So don't go. So remember to like, share and subscribe. When you like, share and subscribe, to keep the channel growing each and every day. You understand? And when you comment, that make me feel better. So know, so when you now watch, you really can relate to what I go on and sick, what I go on and enjoy what I go on. So no comment down in the comment section. And remember, share it to your family member, your friends, everybody, right? Remember, share it, everybody. But before I go into the movie, I want to go over to Empress Anaya Vivo channel and check out our new single called Baby. I want to run it up, link them out there in the description. She have a bunch of other songs, Mama Ball, Woy, Every Ghetto Youth, she and her Hitman Wally. You know, she have a bunch of songs, so I want to go over there, support her right through because she's a really very, very, very nice lady. She goes sponsor and I move them one at a time. I don't know in the future. No, we see if she will sponsor more. But she's a nice lady, she cool. We just want to give her some strength. She has some very nice songs. But you know, say, some of the time when people have some talent, it's just hard for them get the exposure. So, no go over there, like, share, and subscribe. See me. You know I go. Blessings to everybody. Wild and Rich.
So you're jumping and going to feel like a friend to see me?
Yeah, dear.
Me come to...
Oh, you come in here?
Me have a key, remember? Me come to...
How much key you have? The last time you go and give me one key. How much key you have?
Remember send me the cut key for the time to say...
Give me the key, give me the key. Give me the key. I say you're gonna come in and kill me.
Then me wanna come in and come and kill me. Come to apologize about everything.
Give me the key, no man. Everything good. Give me the key.
Just look here now.
Listen,
May I ask for your forgiveness? Just please now.
Listen, me now.
Let's not go back in the relationship.
Man. It's too late for that, you know.
What do you mean it's too late for that?
Suppose my woman did there.
Which woman you talk about? And me and your woman who you chat about?
Listen, me now. Me have a new woman now.
New woman. So this thing there.
Me not tell you already.
So fast you move on.
I have a new woman now.
Look here, make she go because me come back. You have to go tell her say she have to go leave because me come back.
I'm not like a man.
You mean by me can't go lamp on your hand?
Give me a key you have. Give me a key you have.
Me not happy. You did left
So how you push the key in my door then?
the door dey open.
Me not left door open as me come in. You lock. So give me a key you have.
Just hear me out, no man. Just me go back in the the relationship the last time.
Yeah, hear me? Yeah, you.
And you do something on the TV for me.
Me say, me have a new woman. And she's
I bet she gonna feel you. Bet she gonna feel you. Me not ask
she not
first.
feel me. If she feel me, me get to my days. Right? So, let's go on. Come tell us.
Look here, for the last time.
It's sorry for you.
Sorry for
Yeah?
me. What she gonna do? War me? Are you turn up and watch me and worry, girl? Look here. Just see last time.
Hold me now, man. Mr. Go on and give me a key. See that suitcase? I hear us them. Here's a them in your car.
Me now gonna with no suitcase. Here so me a stay. Here so me a stay. Me now gonna with else.
Don't me get up off my bed. Please, me beg you.
Get up off my bed.
Come in for rest.
Well, the two we can rest together. Two can rest together. You want that? Yeah?
Joke.
Bill on the match. Just bill now.
Joking with them. Come. Give me key.
Me not have the key. Just give me the last time.
The two gates at one.
Just hear me feel last time. Me no want.
Come no man. Come no.
It's
You
not
know
like
tell us them across the spike though.
But it's not like
Come here
this.
wonder where you go with two back alone here.
The thing is, me never do anything in the first place. Yeah, I leave for no reason.
Come no man.
Me not go nowhere. Just still now.
Come. What this? See key, give me key.
The key,
Give me key, no? Give me key.
that's not me
Alright, you can't
I'll just stay on top.
I'll change me lock on the door. We
I'll
don't
just stay
know
on top.
talking, we talk about Mr. Guan. You can't hear?
You don't understand.
But me not
Just
understand.
want to
You
stay on
don't
top. Alright,
understand.
close the door.
No. Now lock it back here, go through the door. Nothing these days to understand.
Alright, no problem.
Right? We say we done. I'm gonna get a new woman. They say them, right? So let's go and move on to. We done. See, you see up on the road, if you want to yell, me yell. If you want to yell, me tell you.
Give me a hug for you last time. Last time. I'm gonna come back. You can just step me back, please. Look here, you know, so I never do nothing wrong, right? Me never do anything wrong. And you leave me for no reason.
Go. Please, no, baby, go. That back is good. I change my life to make my thing in the case. The boy may sleep and, you know.
So babes, where do I work to?
Why I don't even know where I'm going, bro. Cause see it come from work. How time now?
After 1:25.
See, they supposed to still there work, bro. But bro, right now,
Oh, what's not happening with you?
but I'm have to end up leave the job
What?
because it's like more hard time. I'm really I catch up. The boy just like give me a hard time.
Even
Because no,
oh,
I thought,
yeah,
well,
that's
man,
what
I don't say babes. That's the song, man. It's like when I work now, you know, appreciate what I really have to offer for the company. See? So it's like it's a tag on war between my boss and my colleagues, and so even if I do a thing different, but it a work, then like nobody now get the attention, like grasp nobody attention. We just get frustrated and leave work. It's a get to my brain.
so really that my telephone?
Yeah.
Hold on. Yeah, I forget to my birthday come up. I go and want to look at hairdo. I want to look at nails and want sort of clothes.
Oh, that take care already. I remember some did work for a while now. I'm saving up a piece of money in case things go left. So so right now I think about to invest the money. So might Zane can get back some shares and stuff. So that I think about to do.
Oh, because so I wonder now, because if you work, how me I go eat and so.
But anyway, babes, I'll come hit the road and see if I can pick up some good sales. Yeah?
And
Okay.
Nuh-uh. Hey, I want to breeze blowing up for me, I guess.
For yourself, man. Money I don't know.
Tell me how money you want?
I don't want the money.
Oh, cause originally anytime I come here for some money.
But I'm not come over here for the money this time.
Alright, so what happened?
So, first thing first. How do you eat?
Who do you there? Girl, I'm gonna look for spooky, you know? Cause right
You
now,
can't change man, so.
I know nothing about no change, man.
Every time he says the next man.
Just chill, man.
It's a girl, you know? So.
Hey, you can't stick with nobody for too long.
That's
That's how you fling up with dollars, you know, make no sense.
Look here, I'm gonna come over here to talk about is right now, my life lonely and my ex-boyfriend, me and him break up. Jesus. I foolishness me I chat this a while ago. My boyfriend me did there with me and him break up. Me find a condom in a car, I asked him about it and the boy left me over that day. You see me? And I chat about me can't go on next day. You have a new man. I go over here and try beg him back and something. He run me and chat about how me for go on because he don't want the woman come over here come see me and want to go on. So I say okay then, believe him out. And the hottest thing is the two men that when I used to talk with, that are Puppy and Tugger. The two of them are going put in a life, you know. You look at chum change and I didn't spend pound and I didn't help them out and they never have nothing. It come like a waste of time, you see me, because now two of them have things, me not have nothing.
Same thing, maybe that one you just never did a listen. I tell you, are you feeling more bad money, no but man, you want feel money?
They need them money, look at me in a relationship with them, right? They don't expect me to spend money so I can't make them alone spend. The girl, me not gold, they can make two different something.
Understandable. Alright, so tell me now, what you plan for doing now? Cause my boyfriend, you see when you see him just walk off for a job. Me hit not even know what will happen for my birthday, cause my birthday they right around the corner and he just walk off for a job. And you know you come with a big load of stress and me can't manage that right now. Cause
Me know me I go do, you see me? No, me I go do much, me must catch them back, you see me? Must sketch them back, man. Later.
Yeah. Alright.
Free. I'm going with.
There, good.
Yeah, see you from over there.
Lucky, man. Because I go through a heap of something right now. Stress, on top of stress, on top of stress.
Can I just say that, boy? I know I'm not like you when you talk about stress, you know. You have a little link in, I'm not like this, I'm not stressed out.
No, you style me wicked.
Where's that? Style you?
Why you?
Which boy?
Just calm down, no, man. Sit down and tell
Babes,
him
talk to me, no babes, man. Yo, where's the making?
Alright.
Style you?
Yes. Yeah, me and this youth attack, right? And me go in a car. I must go see use condom in a car. And me 13 months and look here, how are this? The boy run me a tank car and road drive off, left me.
Run out to you?
And it turned out he break up with me over that.
But I think with family link them away.
I mean, even go over here this third and I try beg back and I tell him, say, please, me you can't do about this, that, really. I tell me, say, no one but say a new woman.
But tell us every top beg people, please, and look how you look good.
But you don't understand.
How much money do you want?
You know?
Can I love you, don't I love you? Oh, I style you. I style you and I can't link me. How long if you can't link me? How long is a boy? How long is a boy I style you?
I don't really long I can't
That's joking.
In a relationship.
In a relationship.
I don't good while I'm in a relationship with you.
Good while. I make this a boy the style you daddy.
Alright, I'm gonna hurt you.
Hurting me, you know that man just say a word and show me him.
No, I mean that type of hurt you know.
It's a joke business there, man. Yo,
Alright.
we can't take a joking talking, no man. Must say no pram me pushing, no man.
Look here, no man. Only one thing we know could have cramp him right now, and
What that? What can cramp him? Because he must see ice or see. What if you cramp him?
If I take away in care. Because you want care when love. You see that time life, that time baby, that time this, that really one bag of something.
I have a link, we can sell that, you know. So me care boy them up, so you know. So you can tell
No,
them
but what you feel with me, I feel. You understand?
so that's a simple maths. Look how long have to come give me them, they move them, me go funny.
I want to know how you feel if you lose something.
What kind of care boy have?
Eh?
What kind of care boy have?
One AD, wagon.
Bombard.
One white one.
White?
Yes.
Pearl white?
White.
Yo, me have to come for that. Well, when me can page him? When me can page him?
We don't send a location and the address, everything for this year.
That's why I make a call to the boy right now.
Me send a picture too.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Go for me address for the internet there and make it.
Do the right thing, man, so me can run the portal, man. How do you, man?
Alright.
You know, boy, if you go on there and you want to make that happen again, it take too long to come link me.
Alright then, pick up yourself.
How are you, brother?
Alright, my
But
friend.
enough your style your road, you don't know that. No, boy. Oh, where? Mad. Portal a link at you, know, you want to carry them. It's a little lunatic boy, I go and some link them. We are bright.
Burn you get no.
Come on, then. Come on. Hold on, come on, boy. Come on.
Can't get money to
Come, boy.
come for that. Let's do my speak.
Move me through.
Don't take a big if you can't get
Yeah, so that account, yeah man, I would like to transfer 6 million to it. Yeah, because I have some business issue that I want to get sorted out, so I would like to transfer it. No, it was $9 million in about, you know, we have a liquor agreement, so I'm gonna give him 6. Yeah man, everything is good, man. No man, I'm good with the $6 million. Give me a minute, please. I'm gonna call him. Never tell us I'm not you're not at all back on the place.
You can just hear me out.
Hear you out with
Just
what?
give me, okay. You know, we come up here the last
No,
time.
listen,
I'm
no,
big and
no,
it never
listen.
work. But at least make it work this time.
It can't work because I'm a woman and 2 bad bitch in there right now. You understand? So me no need a bucket right now, I'm wild and rich. You can't style me. You understand? Remember you tell me say they get another man and I tell her that fine by me, you know. So why you come back now through things don't work out? Things that work out for me. Babe, go and talk to her cause me a man and I mean like argue with woman.
How you do here? Let us have a dog come back on my yard.
Your yard? And then my yard
Obviously,
first.
no. We did have a little place so we get to stay. That I never fit.
Girl,
When you upgrade now in a city, whole like
Yes.
apartment of
Yep. And if you talk to your ex, actually your ex-girlfriend, you know, you want my dirt car, you know. Girl,
Yeah,
you know who you talk?
You know who you are talk to? Don't rank yourself in the baby girl. Don't
Girl,
do
it's nothing more than a rubbish, you hear that?
rubbish. Remember, say I take you off of the streets, so you can't talk to
Take
me.
who?
Baby girl,
Obviously,
don't
they
talk
don't
to
know
me.
our story. Obviously, they don't
I know you
know
me
our
Alright,
story.
listen.
Excuse. This
Alright,
is a shit,
alright,
baby
alright,
girl.
you know what?
Excuse.
We in love
Babe,
with right now.
finish
You
the
know?
boy out.
You can't lock this every baby girl. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Listen up, hello, listen.
Me step in there.
Listen me. Me just want you listen me. Me tell you already so me don't want to see you here. You never bring no happiness to the relationship.
What do you mean by me never bring no happiness to the
so me beautiful
relationship?
queen here, my wife accept me to have 2 more women in my bed. So right now 3 women
Oh,
down in there. You never
so me
did
say
give me
something
that.
to you. So just because me never work, girl, shut up. So wait, just because me never accept for you have another girl along with me, you have a problem with that.
Yeah, because the situation they classify me as I'm poor. So you never did want me live no life. You understand? So right now I'm a wild and rich, so I'm free to live the life I want to live. So just go on back with your man who you find and just avoid me now.
Me not have nobody now.
Well, me
I
not
am
business,
single.
me have somebody. You understand me?
Here.
No. It'd be nice to have 4 women, but not me no want
Yeah,
to
me buy.
make it 4. That's what.
If me if in the back of just me and you alone, me and me by. Look here now.
Please,
Come
go
here.
on.
Yes, please.
Me never hurt you. Go on, please.
You never hurt me.
Please. Just go on now.
I don't like
Just
you
go on.
can't hurt me.
Just go on. Please, huh?
Look here. Just
Please.
calm down and listen what me have to
Please.
say now. Listen what me have to
Just
say.
go on.
We can't make things work. Look here now.
You want something for do?
What?
Wash your bench out the fucking. When I done me talk, go on.
You know, say very disrespectful.
Wash your bench to me now. When I done me I talk.
No worry, Annie. Don't worry. Yes. I have a feeling, say no. Hello. Yes, sir. You get the care. Alright, then I'll link you a few spot. Alright, then I'll forward now. Alright.
Actually, I rent house and have money, she a come back now. You know what a girl, you come here, you know, come call.
Just finish about the food for me, please. May I go back on the car?
Yes, sir. How much crime?
I just there some meds, you know. You don't look for me. That last in our system right now. My boy then glad when they see me pull up. What do you know how much money me get? New machine and
Alright,
I'm
let's
tell
go
you,
on.
man, if no boy ever play with you again, a problem. And that may make you know. I'm
You
tell you,
know,
man.
so to be honest though, you're the only person me can rely upon, you see, because everybody else buck up on our meat, then just feel me, you see me?
Everybody feel
So,
it?
everybody.
No, youth.
But then you only somebody me can call upon right, and if more want something to be done, you always do that for me, so. But they are saying, what I think, boy, you know, like, give you a chance.
Give me a chance.
Not my life.
You mean? They could have asked that a long time more you think they way, you know. You think about some like a Google Butter Road where the style and a grow on you. Look for me. I mean a real deal can protect you if a mosquito come by and I shoot that off. Here, I'm a top clap things. I say if a mosquito touch you, I shoot that off. Sit down. When you feel talk to me and something, babes. I want you. Get the hair done right for you. Pretty man. Stop making people stress you out. How much time I tell you that?
But I don't like some not try, but
So long you take for say, I mean, I right man for you. Me have to do so much things for you before you can see that.
I know what.
Daddy, sometimes I do some things and I come back and I say, yo, you know, Father God. Actually, I rate that girl and love that girl and I do them sitting here, you know. Certain people couldn't call link me and tell me if you come out of my go do things to them. I mean, I rate them, I mean, I love them, babes, you're mad. But me, I wonder how you take so long to say, I'm a right type for you.
Almost because me in our relationship, you know, so maybe still.
Let's get her over here, yeah, man. But in a relationship, you call in the relationship, because there is no good. They not work out. People not style people in a relationship. We help out each other like a teamwork. Teamwork, make the dreams work. Much time we teach you that. Because you're pretty. When they stress you out, you will get ugly. You don't want that feel. What do you man stop making people stress you out, man? Sound like a dirty boy. When I know life and can't help you out certain ways. Stress. Yo, at least get rid of stress, you know. You don't want nobody stress you. When you're there by my side, never get hurt again. I see you pretty. That's what I'm talking about. So sweetie, you eat already, 8 for the morning?
Yeah, man, me eat, man, but I'm not really penetrate on that the right, you know. But my main focus on is, I just want to get back to the youth. You see me, like, I just want to get them in the real way. You see me?
Man, it's a real, you know, we're ready, you know.
And as I said before, my eyes not up to certain things, and I know so that are true.
You
because
keep it locked.
me young, so you have to understand. You see me?
No, that part.
Alright.
Yeah, no.
We have one of them out of the way already, right?
Yeah.
See the other one?
And that I never nothing to deal with.
One thing go broke, you see me? The other one.
Broke.
Broke.
Like me broke him up.
No, not like that. They bankrupt me at all.
Oh. Broke. Normal pre-man, what do you man?
But I don't know how would I do that, you see me? Like, we could have make you involved in some scamming.
A
or
simple thing that you know, see me have a link them. If me don't have a link them, I can make my link them, find a link them. And I can send somebody up there. Go deal with the coupons them and the bankruptcy and all of them are sitting there. And shell him down. Quick, fast, easy.
More send them to down in the earth, you see me? I mean like,
Down in the earth,
kill
like-
them. No, I mean like kill them. I mean like, make them suffer.
Suffer.
More and they feel how it feel for suffer if you not have nothing at all, you see me?
What do you man? If I want to get serious, I can link on me. What do you man too, you know?
You have to make it reach you, see me?
What do you man? Start to me, man. Anything you want to deal with, man, we can deal with the man right away. So don't worry about that. We'll get the thing deal with real way. You say suffer and you say bankruptcy and the whole of them missing. They go deal with it. Easy 1-3.
More and they know the pain that me I feel. Me no want me alone go through this. I want them go through it because of them put me through this or me I go through now. So I want
This
them
now
to
you
go
feel
through
pain.
it.
Yo, I even like when you say that word there. Pain. Because we make people feel pain. You see me? Alright now, let me feel away. But tell you what, I go find a link them. Because I tell you say a simple 1-3. I go make you comfortable and I go make you happy again. You see, pray. Me. I say me. I go make you happy again. Just believe in me. Here and stop folding hands and stress out about people. Pray for yourself, no man. Stop stress out about them. We go deal with you right here, make your life happy again. You see me? What do you man? It's the real man and stay on my foot, man. Don't put them for your brain and think over me and think about them no time.
No, I don't think about them, I just want to say, you know, as long as them is something that go down, I not have to think about them again, you see me?
Normal pray. So for you say, bankruptcy, dirt, and sufferation, all of them there. Put in a bag right now. We'll get them sorted out. Quick, make sure you're not sorry for them after, you know?
Me not sorry for
Make
nobody.
sure you're not sorry for them after, you know?
Me not sorry for them.
Alright.
Me want if it happen, so me not
Alright.
sorry for them.
No, nobody have ball to me. You see me, I deal with people now here can tell me about take time with the man, this and that, you know.
Do that. Babes, you know what? Enough of them. We don't want to chat about them right now. We go in, go chat about we.
No, you're talking. Come on, want to hear about them neither, you know, because things don't have a sort out there.
Later we can chat about them. How we are going to do today. You see me?
I know you can't come back.
Hello. Are you just a come back? Where did they? From man you gone and want go away. What I'm tell you? What? And you gotta go check. Because you come back.
Tell us I'm not no other woman. What I'm tell you, man?
Stop tell lie, man. So,
If you ever know
tell me
what
what
happened to me, you talk about girl. Me a drive on the road right as me if you go where me I go. You know, for me I walk from right as me if you go where me I go. One gunman walk out in the road, middle day, point gun palm me through the car, so me have to come out of the car, man, so come out of the car. You know, me have to, gunman take with my car, with all of my money and my paperwork to me night, everything gone.
so me I go get my wig. How me I go get the clothing. How me I go get everything. Me ask you for.
And that's what I worry about?
So me feel worry about again.
Me said I ain't gone with the whole of my papers there, my papers, my business, the amount of something me have in that car there.
So how me I go get what me want. What did
You
I
just
say?
dip on where you want, where you want.
Some fi dip on
Suppose
again.
me dead.
But then
Where that say same thing going dead, me can't get my wig, yo, me not like that, you know.
But then I did. You know,
You
me
only care for yourself.
me not only care for myself. Me tell us I want some of them.
So if your money gone in that car, how y'all get to forget?
Are you making money gone?
Me?
No, me.
You know what to? Go on. That's it, man.
Come you can't get what me want.
You come back facing them, me call and tell come back facing me, because this, you know how work between me, yeah? You know how work. Because me get stick up by a gunman. I worry about the wig and lashes. You don't care about me. good.
Babe, let's see how I go on now because remember I want to go and pick up bankrupt before we get done, so let's see how I go on.
Babes, the other day I go and meditate and I make a link from last night. I showed for my boy. My boy give me a fee boy number. I feel deal with the thing right. You see me because they are professional. I'm a professional.
Professional.
And you, they don't joke thing that they pan thing. You see pre. But what you know? I forgive some money, you know. Because they you there. I see them a professional. They like, they get their money for do their work. You see pre.
I feel this yeah, I could I get it going with all of that.
Yeah, but I feel me link. Get the link.
Oh.
So I don't really my link. I feel me link.
Oh.
So
your link can make female link make you happen for free.
we have to make him get piece of food, man. That's me. Them talent there. I don't know, like a shibble them talent. That's me.
Alright, that's at least, isn't it?
What do you
So,
want?
when I say I go deal with it.
Right now, tell her what. I'm going to show you the number too. And see if we can get a youth there now because you're right there to make him move still, you know.
If we would have do it today, it would have good because...
Don't start talking. Yo, bad bro.
Yo.
Are we there?
Oh, they were just on the so far.
Yo, remember say, I showed you from last night because I make you link in that day. I don't know, joke upon the thing now. To them, I deal with the thing for you, you know.
Alright, bad bro, my fault. See?
Alright, I'm not worry yourself because the food good, you see me?
Yeah.
Food did it for you eat, you see pre?
You did.
Just deal with the thing right way for you see it?
Right, yeah.
Yeah, come on, man, get out of them problem and get over this, you see pre?
Alright, cool.
Alright, if you don't get to deal with them boy, they're going to have a problem in the father.
Believe me, bro.
Alright, that is it, remember good. Alright, go on the right thing.
Cool.
Come give me a link. Zin?
So, what's it?
Send them on the road. Soon come give me a link, you see it?
Because you know, so like, I'm richness we are right now, not free now, broke stage.
How are they, man? I don't joke on the pan them on the thing.
No, but I feel like saying I just do them things I'm not getting out of it.
What
We
do you
have to
man?
benefit out of it, you know. We
I see.
have to get money out of it, because we have to go there.
How we say beneficial in a man? What do you man?
Just can't see no man and sit down.
What you know what things said, babes?
You know, I think that man,
Nothing of like we hang out with too much. Mad problem.
me can go back in the house because something there look good.
Alright, do you right thing. They are going away from my boy for forward. He must soon reach and now he's make up and anytime I call him.
Alright,
He must not send out joke business if you check in and see pre.
yeah.
Yeah man. Try to know you out. What? What going on, father?
There, bro. Where you free?
Well, let me see you, daddy.
No, man.
Can you know what? Some things start out you because that boy growing the business and then you know say how we growing business and the boy gonna grow food business, you know.
That's it.
So what you pray? That's some work more I deal with, father. Bankrupt business. I mean we're good pan that, you know. But last one I make a boss up down some.
Oh, yeah, cool. Yeah,
Ball we
Believe, bro.
Papa and it was a joke when I watch that. You know food style come down.
Then,
I'm saying some more I deal with thing more but more attackers. I use that thing kind of set up one different way. Boy going like in skill, going like in tough. And you know say how we put F in a tough.
brother, them, they're not tougher than us, brother.
How dear daddy?
I joke, yeah, man.
How dear my father? So what you pray?
Yeah.
Go make moms tell us some of the things them want to go on. She kind of in there deal with it, you see me? I make you see levels the real way. You see pray. Can Michelle know one of them already, you know?
Yeah, I said.
Make a page for one of them already. How my thing come down, father?
We know that. Let's go.
What dear man?
Let's go.
Moms, hello. Babes.
Yeah,
So long you take flip about this man forward, no man. I say business we deal with now.
we don't look about you already.
Come in, man. Bad chops there, you know. Bad chops there, you know. Bad chops. And mom's this no more.
Oh, I see that.
Yeah.
Believe no man.
And she ain't growing no father. You see me? So what you pray? When you tell for me boy what I go on, you know. Cause you know me not like in a but chatting, you know. Clean up the machine and forward back, you see me?
No.
Alright, then.
One there.
So, good day. Basically, what I like to do is make my ex go bankrupt, you see me? But, you see, I want all of the money come to me.
Oh,
You understand what I mean?
okay. So,
Like just a whole of him, not of him account come to me. My word that the money myself.
okay, cool. So what I forgot to do is I'm gonna create 2 accounts, right? Obviously I forgot to create one for overseas. See? And then I forgot to create one Jamaican one. There's more out there, so you understand? And I have to worry about that still, cause that's not my thing. So all I have to just worry about say you have 2 accounts, see? I'm gonna do my amount of the thing for you. See?
Alright then.
Yeah, cause fear boy, I feel my bro, you see?
Alright then so. And you know so you get the shares of it same way.
Normal 3 man, normal 3 bro. Normal. Yeah.
Oh. But I need to come up.
Yeah man, do that. Yeah. Yes, sir, father. Everything on my man, that's how I pray now. So, all I have to do, show mom's the prayer already, but I don't know if everything come down already as he pray.
Anyways, father, I don't want you to worry yourself. Isn't it? Because what you pray now, I go send them by your phone, location, the picture them and everything. So when you go up there, you can tool them and all the equipment. You see badness. So when you reach up there, you they tell him what to do and he have to listen to you. Because when you see you coming, you see a real businessman. Business. I would say
that is it.
Business. You have to just start cooperate same time. It's any non cooperate, you know what to do.
But no,
you know what to do.
No, bro.
Here, code. That is it for
us.
We're
linking them for
alright. Because two them want to deal with it.
Believe.
So what you put, I go shut this in them right now. I make a total thing right there. See,
cool, no problem.
Alright, good look my friend. Go look inside, see.
Yeah.
Babes,
Bye bye.
I play good.
I want some enough to hug your brother. Sorry.
Go on, you know. Alright, so basically.
So look, sir, you get work?
I really say I'm working, but as I told her earlier, yesterday, my dad told us yeah, the investment things in, link on for my bro them and active right now. So right now I'll go over and I film about them link him so you know such, you know? Yeah, so I'm gonna do some exchange, I'm gonna make you know if I'm dead or not.
You look dead for once.
Be things are going on, you know. But now yourself, man, go on. Come on, put up a belly for Christmas time.
Huh?
Believe.
Only. Wait.
Believe, man.
I'm trying to go believe. You're not late today, I love so.
I'm not late. I just, you know, I'm just going to the 100 because I can't just go behind the back on this way.
Understandable.
I'm going to show it up on the, you know. So, hold it there.
Later.
Say up here, and after that I'm always living here and calling him just for.
They can use that, right?
Yeah.
Hello, good afternoon. Sir, madam. Is this Nico?
Yeah.
My pleasure. Nice to meet you, sir. Alright, so we're going around, right? So there's people can invest in the stock market that triples your money, right?
And
Yeah, so basically I'm just making rich people get richer, right? Yeah.
What you say? What can I eat?
when my Travis and Baby must say, he make rich people get richer. So I'm not sure if you're
Nice to meet you. So what can I eat? Come inside here, some with him. Come on from the porch.
Thank you. Should I leave my shoes outside?
Come in.
Come inside. I'm trying to be down.
Yeah, what's it, man?
Thank you, sir.
Alright, so yeah, say you make rich people get richer, right? So tell me more details about it. How that could happen.
Alright, so basically I'm a stocks trainer. You're familiar with stocks, right?
Yes.
So yes, so I will tell you when the stocks are going up. For instance, like currently right now, gray stocks is through the roof. So right now it would be the best time to invest your money into grays, right? So what is gonna happen after that is that when you get back your shares, right, it increases your money. So let's say you invest 400 mil, right, you get an increase another 400 mil.
Really?
Yeah, really.
So
So what do you think about that? Do you know anything on me? I don't know.
Babes, come.
Wait a minute, let me check it. What do you say going on?
Babes, you will maintain triple money. So if I give him a 400 mil, 800 mil, you know, say, I don't know my money that babes, we can't move out of here. So finally, so your ex can find me. Babes, still both of babes. We can get one bigger house.
I'll get everything on beat right now. Come. Alright, General, so Reese with me girlfriend, you understand, I mean my wife. So she agree with that, and I agree as well because me as a man, I told you to get it for anything me I do. Me always ask her said we, you understand? So how much money? Like
Any amount that you want to put in, that's fine.
because I don't know I got money, so the money don't really matter me.
Alright.
So if you say me I go invest in a business, I will surely do it. Once they say it, I will triple. I will surely do that.
Okay, no problem. So I will provide you with the account number, alright? And you transfer your funds to that account number.
Alright, so basically, talk to me.
Hold on there. So, I'm going to start off with $400 million, right? So, I want to know if when him give you that money, how we are going to receive it back? Like, how long it will take to get it back? Understand me?
Alright, that's a good question. So, okay, so if you send the money now, right? When I leave here, I'll get to invest it later, right? So by this time tomorrow, your money will be tripled, right?
Yeah, that sounds really good.
You're sure we can chance, right?
Yeah, man, it's legit, right?
It's very legit.
Alright, no problem. So, just put your account number right now so we can get the transfer. Alright, so I'm going to send off it ASAP.
Okay, I feel it
So-
already.
Thanks for everything. I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much for having me.
Alright.
I'll be in touch, right?
And did you get your name?
My name is Tio.
Alright, blessings.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, we come now. Alright then.
Sleep, man.
Yeah. Man just call me back. And then say transfer rich.
Two boy.
Yeah, that's how much money in tear off of him.
Much.
$400 million. What? And he come like say a whole lot of money man invest in us.
God know you. See me tell about you then. Tell us that he always get things done with you know.
You know what we are gonna do now?
What you say, pray?
We are gonna live nice life. We are gonna hotel. We are gonna enjoy ourselves. Nobody can talk to you. Right, there's
your
your
babes. You tell us say now. Stop stress yourself, you know. Cause once we start linking at things, I feel deal with you really.
Happy.
What do you man?
Right, this the man invest like a whole lot of money invest in 400 million and one heap of money, you know?
But no good thing.
Okay, no, what is happening? You want me to stay where you want to do this?
We have to work again.
We not to work again.
I'm to your babes. Think uplift. We need to have a struggle by now because we're opening up our store. We have opened up our store.
Right, so that's walking now.
You know, I love my shoes them and sitting, you know.
You know what told me happy make back in a say, yeah?
Alright, babes.
Alright.
I don't need one go back to sleep.
Right.
Can't forget right now. We need one go back to sleep.
Hello, good day. What's here?
Both to do.
You know, if you look for me like that because we think I come over here for or that I come over here for. I not come to beg you and say
If
please.
you don't come over here for beg me, will you come over here for them?
Well, basically I come over here just to ask you one question. You sure about the move you make?
I mean, I'm sure about the movie.
You sure see no one back in your life?
Of course, I'm sure. If I never sure me that they run there and I try to fix it, I'm sure about the move I make. Right now, it come like say a father God make me a break up. You understand? I just the right time. Because all along me did my relationship and pay a whole long did I go. And see as me left, my life just explore so. I'm royal and rich. Right now, I do a big investment. And so when that the money they drop today, I got a problem. Nobody can talk to me. I'm wild and rich. So Father God make me a less.
Me ask you for the last
you hold me
time.
down. You come like I want, listen now, you come like I want a whole barrage of corruption they did have for me. But since my life I come like me just free right now.
Look here.
So me glad. So
You sure,
that is the answer. Me just answer your question.
You sure? Alright then, no problem. Want to have a nice day, yeah, yo. Nice browning. You see me?
How much I do here?
Baby girl, I'm gonna come by you again. I'm gonna see that tea again. You see me?
Oh, you come by my man. If you come, I have something to say to my man.
Girl, me not come by your man neither. I just come to ask him a question.
Answer your question.
So me I go leave.
So do it.
So hurry up now.
Okay.
Okay, just come like one big corruption in my life.
Okay.
It's a good decision I did make still I move on, you know.
Can you hear from the man yet, B?
I may wait for him saying to come give me a check. So I may wait for him. Oh yeah, but my salary while I'm rich and I be more money per
Yeah,
money.
but hotel tonight and get money?
Of course.
Well, different that though, babes. Wake up this morning, I forget to tell you. We see money draw from account. Me I wonder how that. Are you get money from account?
Yeah man, sorry about that. I remember to tell you. I did short at $6 million. So I did just take off and add the tweet and send off some money. So I'm really sorry for not tell you. But when the money reach a foot to them, you're going to get more than that. No worries, okay?
Oh, because I really need some money now because I'm account the parade. Because we deep up and down and money spending and stuff. I say we fly go up Panama other day and come back. So.
And then we have a fly over there again.
Yeah. Alright, that's cool.
So wait for the niggas still are here. But today I go and take you kind of cool break.
Alright, me go back to you.
Alright.
Yeah, Robin.
Where you come from?
Oh, my ex-man look up once I go, not taking different.
Listen.
I go over there and ask if he really want me back or what's up. Boy, I chop bone, no one don't want me back or I'm back a simple.
You go with ex-man go do that?
No, I just stay play around in mine. And in there chop bone make some big investment and something and money I go come through. I just stay laughing in my head.
Laughing in your head.
No, you take it different.
Laughing in your head.
I just stay play around with him.
So, you want somebody to play with? Want to me?
No, you don't understand one. Alright, never mind. We just come off of that there now.
You better.
But the money part now.
Yes,
You see me? The person, we call back the person, the person say money are gonna reach within the next 24 hours. Someday I go wait.
24 hours today?
Yes.
Today, 24 hours?
Today. So they are going wait in 24 hours run off. You see me?
That sound good. That sound good. Right now, a normal priest still come tell us when for me boy them deal with business, you know.
They really good.
Forward, then deal with business. Now grown business, not enough with business when time for me boy them deal with business, you see me?
No, man,
So
I know
they want you to make it for you the right thing. You see me?
Right, man.
So it's a 24 hours.
24 hours. Yeah, so basically, the man is saying he would have to send off the money to a offshore account overseas, then he's sending to Jamaica. You see now on his account.
Right.
Because if no police get involved or anything, you're not gonna have no chase.
Yeah.
You see me?
Tell him so when he must send it to in a full account, he can send it in an overnight express, you see me? So let's chase did this up, because then tell him, Lord, he must sleep. Then watch it back, give you more idea instead of night. Then we do an overnight express, you see me?
Alright.
Right.
Because they are going to wait still and hopefully come through. You see me? I'm sure say I'm not joking, man.
I always say we have faith in a man, because body can grow with thing again and upgrade now, you know. Thing go large. We have places to build, business to upgrade. What heap of things, man, you see me?
When this money I reach, when this money I reach and I look normal.
Tell him how you do your nails.
Then I must be here for the nails and put everything.
You put on two tattoos, see how for your body, because
Nerdy.
yeah, let's see.
How could I cause this?
So So people never set the pot good.
No, really.
Oh.
No, back to you now. What you do here?
You can talk to your family.
Talk to who family?
How does a man come here about talk to? Who this?
My ex-man. Wait, no, which birds blow you here?
You
You talk to
No, just talk now. Where you come here? Anything you talk to me about, you must can't talk with two about it.
Else I'm gonna let you place.
So you may come to talk.
No, talk. You see, I heard they deal with me. Come over your place, you chat about one. Me no man come see where you're there, so. You're not afraid of woman.
Fancy grill.
You're not afraid of woman. You don't need to get my phone. Listen to block you. Look here, there's no need for you to be over here. You're not afraid of woman pass and see over here.
I look funny when you attack.
Sorry, I know my business.
You not even call out to me.
When me did the palm my face, I never did I look palm. So when you did palm your face, I go look palm your office. But
So don't show your face when you attack. When you attack, show me your face and make him listen. You understand?
You can't come check no one on me.
Let me place no man. Let me place no man.
Look,
You think like me place, brother?
come out of this. Right.
All I in your arms, you
You
understand?
can't see me on the man there say come chat about come check in on the manners.
Yo.
You know no shame, brother. Move.
Yo.
And
Boy, if you look me now, be me to the body for a man.
it's also right.
Please, I couldn't tell me to shot him now. Can you say you the kid and I want to see for your face now, all along for your face, they run him, I disrespect you.
Disrespect me and show me out of care because this that.
So man, alright, like me thing, man, you want to put it for son.
No, just calm down, no man.
Calm down, what? Boy, I put it in my hand. I know say don't so.
Me don't know.
What a boy the name?
Look here, just nobody go this one.
Okay, if you ever tell me name, I see.
Look here, me know how many time go get that the money there you gonna use and pay the other person. It don't make sense. Come on, how about you?
So boy, come on, me yard.
Come on, man.
Me yard.
Alright.
Me yard. I must joke this to bombard. Me have to go on my camera and look if this are really happen. I must joke this. This say you are really coming to me yard. This say you coming to me yard.
Here, you know, see the man up on his face. For your teeth in care. I go sell it. Boy pop down, boy mash down. The same thing when we did one for I'm see that happen there.
Babes, we're not thief. I take boy care.
We'll take
You see me? So if you forgive yourself too much, you take all in soul, in life.
We don't want to reach this so.
That's a you. That's why I work with you, but when you come in me at the person, any of me have the fire tip for me. You couldn't tell me nothing, babes. You couldn't tell me nothing, cause boy, you know, so if you don't come in on Jamaica, man, you're mad.
I understand what you're trying to say, but I want, I hit one. You see me? When me did want, I hit one.
Yeah, what you want happen?
In the pan face, you know, I'm good with that because when me pan my face, you know, look for me.
And babes, if I didn't put him on your face the next way, man, I say, I think could have come in my yard today. Actually, you listen to me sometime. Any of me put that boy on your face the real way. I say, could come in my yard today.
How come going?
Here.
Come on, I get too ignorant now. Come on, we're going.
Babes, let's change him, man. Come over here.
Let's not go around general. Eh? I don't understand. What do you mean by market gone down? What? Market gone down with my money? So you tell me say all my money gone down, my general, all that big money I invest a while ago, you tell me say my money gone down. So what, me not get a triple? Yo, where really answer to me, you? Yo, hear me answer. Yo, don't try to sort out about my money, my general. Cause you forward there, you know, and tell me, say, you know, we are people who want to make people get richer than how they be, you know. I'm a believer, I'm a do it, and I know you tell me say market gone down with my money. You tell me say me invest in a wrong something. And you tell me say if you invest in it, me should I invest in a grace? Yo, you mean so just make my money reach my back here, man. Just make my money reach my back. You mean so my general?
So to my money. Want to feel my money, I'm going to get your money in there.
Babe, just calm down, you understand? It's straight for me in a yo.
It's straight.
The whole like money just gone a while ago.
Look here. Me a business now.
And me alone, I like pressure the pan, you think about that.
Alone, if you have my $6 million in them, I'm just one back to go to the rent.
$6 $6 million is what me can get you back. Where you going for $6 million? So you don't care about my money then?
I'm tell you something. If you don't get my money, just know say me I got a problem.
What you mean me I
need
have
the
a
money
problem?
back because me never tell. Imagine you're so stupid. Go all the money you just.
And you tell me if you invest in it, and you encourage me to do it.
Me
so now you tell me foolish. Don't.
I never me man come to you know. Him come to here and call Oni Powell. Him know your name written down in a book. I never me just support you because I'm a man. You understand? From me I start there, be across it. I look at destruction the family life from start off.
Oh, so all along you hold all of these secrets from me and I just know you tell me all of them.
Yes, cause be a spend yes. Look here, let me tell you something. Me need back my $6 million. You hear that? Me need back my $6 million because right now I'm low on cash. But that's why you know that.
So you try to tell me, so this is how you bring me to something and then I go be a disrespect me.
What you mean? You're so stupid now, make you whole lot of money gone down in jail. What me I gonna do now? Eh? What me I gonna do?
Okay.
Tell me.
Right.
It's my money.
Alright. We go get back your $6 million.
Look here, you try get it. Let's try it up. Try get your money.
Girl, take a seat. Take a seat down here. You think that's still I'm pulling down business on the road so I have to bring it here. Yes, you know. So, me ex them, right? The two ex I'm tell about, you know want me back or nothing? Yeah. Alright. You see the what? Me not talk the good story. You want the alright. You want both, but me want give you the one first one that me just left. Alright. Yeah. So basically like the one day, like the one I'm with now, a real bad man. Bad man me I tell about. You see me? Yeah. So me link him and say, yo, you know, so I want to do something for me though. Like we take my ex car and sell it. You see me? Because of the time weakness, the time power. Come on, see on their face, I want to suffer. They make me suffer, so they have to suffer too. You see me? So basically taking care of everything, boy, suffer everything. My day one day sit down. Oh, this boy come back. And I chat about how with men him can't talk. I say anything we are talk about, we can't talk between me and my man. When he come chat about me, him can't call into one and then man just get grimy, boy if you lift up. Tell about boy if you lift up, what on that the girl here about the good part, no man. So she and then the first ex now. When me and him did there and we left, right? Yeah. And you know some so go up and you go beg him and say please take me back this that. Yeah. Plan say not take me back master. I'm gonna go up the last time I say sure but what you do, right? So you want to take me back? Boy say sure. On the ground when I walk, hey, let me say. Only thing we can sit here right now is the money we have in our bank account. You're gone with it. Me have that. Boy, me and my man rock that now.
I saw me know say me rub off $100
million.
You hear that? So how you get so much?
You mean my girl, me set up somebody to do everything. Oi?
Tell me no 400 million is.
Lord Jesus!
So
see the money reach ya?
That's what zero.
You told me that. We have made so much more. Yeah, that's what you're saying. My bad money. Yeah. And if I want so, girl, come on, man. Celebrate. And I get money out of it. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. So when you get money at this song, may I tell you, say, girl, and you're right. Could I forward? If zero, yo. If zero there, long.
Tell about the thing in a man. I want tea.
I'm a joke thing.
Yo.
I'm a joke thing. What do you mean by of course? No, you're not gonna carry our horse. I just put business and listen.
Oh, so I wonder you and give him so much money.
Oh, no, son, can't give her 1 mil because I'm a friend. Listen, me 1 million does a baby money for you, right? What? What? Yes!
Alright.
What's up, my friend, you know?
Alright, go on.
Yeah, man. Yeah! You know, yeah, Jesus Christ. But
How no get to do that then now?
Me I tell you, say somebody girl, him have a link, and the link where him have a next link, will link up somebody. We do all the operation, the girl, so we are millionaires. We live in a hotel rent for what? Let's watch.
What ya?
We live in a hotel. Let's watch.
I don't nobody get hype and forget.
No girl, me not. Look at me, they get hype and forget me. Forget a long time. Wanna call you over here in the first place.
Yeah,
Go.
Shit. Forget her.
So you don't know.
No, me hit a go by
Eat already?
Yeah, me eat.
Girl, I'm gonna go somewhere nice right now. Me not telling you that. Right? I'm excited. I'm gonna go somewhere nice right now.
I would recommend places, but none of them top of my list right now.
No sir. Happy so still.
Can't believe so much zero, bro.
You know what I think me I gonna do? Me think more me and yeah, my man to go tonight. Like go a nice place, go enjoy, celebrate and stuff. The pop champagne.
Here,
you know.
it's no good son that the man.
So
just link me when you not get ready.
no more, you go get ready now. As in
So
no.
no.
Yeah, more you go get ready right now,
Let's
girl.
say less.
So wait, then I will spend more time on the place. So I'm gonna later I will say
No, and then a little chicken.
and you know so we are gonna book a room same way, see me?
No.
Give you half the month. Here girl go on. Me I'll call you, see me? Me I'll call you, alright.
Look here. I'm not gonna see my money coming on my account, you know, it come like a joke thing on the pan. It's like a joke thing on the pan.
Babe, you can just please bear and please and thanks, and I beg you. Right now, me there stress out me now value a decision. The youth just called me back a while ago and me tell me so I can invest more money. You understand? But my mind frustrated right now.
It's like a sick in the head. Imagine, we take you never have nothing. I'm a billion, I make you have something, right? And it's like, you don't have a head for your body. No matter how me I try to teach you again, I still not learn. Me and you can't work because you see me is a person, me always have money. Me can't broke, you understand me? No, listen to me.
Like you do yesterday.
Alright, then you can't pay.
Me pay a half fight, a 50,000. I'm pay a half fight. You don't understand me, I'm low right now. Right now you can tell me something.
Yeah, me low right now, that's why me can't stay here. I'm matter of fact, I'm telling you. It's by the time me come back, just make sure me money ready.
So we're all of this, sir.
No, because me what want me do? You cannot buy me no wig, you can't buy me no food, you can't buy me no. What you want me do?
So you tell me say money there with me for?
If me did that, look here, you forget say me make you have money. Why
Yeah, so
can't you talk that?
but where you leave me then show me the
Because you bring me down too. You know swag one. You broke me broke in now go work and me out friend me.
I'm not going and try and think how to make back.
No, when me start talking me a millions we have them account now, my account as a zeros. No. Like I'm from gas station go tell them say
You can't listen.
leave me alone.
You know say all of my money gone already. And you go left me now and put more stress for me.
Leave me alone, man. Left me alone. Hey. Oi, don't the up on me in my way, you know. Leave me alone. Let me tell you this, just want my money here. Make sure me get my money, me up.
Alright, we reach the end of the movie. Tell me what you think down in the comment section. Again, before you go, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, go over to Empress Anaya Vivo channel and check out her songs. Them comment under them and tell them Toga send over there. That's it. Like up all of them. Make sure you reach a 1K or 2K, any amount of K views. Remember. Right? And I give thanks to everybody who has subscribed and support. Who this I call me now? Give thanks to everybody who subscribe. You see it? Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Big up everybody. And for Christmas, so stay safe on the road. No hard driving, no drinking and driving. You know, you go. Stay safe on the road for the new year. Because next year, a bunch of things go on. Remember, bless up everybody.